All right, everybody, we have made a new discovery. So, apparently, when I sneeze, my child thinks it is hilarious. This is my child. Now, watch this. Achoo! So I thought, well, maybe I didn't know what it was. So I was like, well, let me try again. Now you see she stopped, right? All right, so she stopped. All right, watch this. I didn't do it yet. Okay, here we go. I didn't do it. Yeah.
You okay?
Chill out. We got spit up. She done got too happy. Okay. Ew. That's nasty. When your child gets so happy she spit on your hand and it's milky, that's nasty. Alright, let's see. Now she stopped. Now watch this. Achoo! What is wrong with you? You done got too happy. It's coming from your belly. Oh, wait.
It was some in her mouth. She probably swallowed it.
She probably is. Achoo! Don't you fart a boo-boo on me. Achoo! You better quit before you choke on some spit.
You okay?
Oh, it got real. Okay, well, that's how we're doing it.
I bet you if I do it, you won't laugh.
Well, here, let's try that experiment. Wait, you gotta do it for real.
I did. See, it wasn't that. He just like when you do it. Your face. Your face must look funny to her.
Yeah, because I ain't even sneezing. I just go like this. Kendall. Okay. Tell the people bye-bye. Or not. You done got too happy. Bye, y'all. It's been real.